Hello. Today, me and my brother are going to be, well, my brother's just going to be smashing this old water heater with sledgehammers and other tools.
Yeah, we're destroying it. Okay.
3, 2, 1, go.
There's
Also,
a
Dad,
big
can you go
hole
get
in
the
it.
axe?
We're gonna start with this hole.
Hit it harder. This is not really entertaining. Hit it harder.
No, over me. Okay, I'm gonna go under the pickaxe.
Come on, hit it harder.
I'm hitting it as hard as I can. It's like insulation. Come on.
Hit it with all your RJ strength.
I'm trying to get to the.
You can do this. Hit it harder. Come on. Rip a hole through that mother trucker. Whoa. Hit it harder.
I'm gonna go to the rusty part. I hit the tank. Oh, there's like styrofoam in it.
Huh. Come on, hit it harder.
Hold on, I'll get the sledgehammer out. There's rust everywhere.
Shoot it with a gun or something.
Okay, hit it like a gun.
Yeah, shoot it.
Okay.
That was a failure.
That's how strong that is.
Hit it harder.
Yeah, okay, I'll hit it harder.
Oh, sorry about that.
Bro, it's all over myself. Ugh, got my mouth. Hold on.
What the fudge?
Bro, this thing is indestructible.
Hit it with the axe. Really, really hard.
Okay.
This is not really entertaining.
Okay, the axe side, like this side?
Just hit it as hard as you possibly can.
Oh, like this?
This isn't really entertaining.
I'm just gonna try to blow a hole through the tank itself.
Use all your RJ strength. Hit it really hard. Hit it really hard. We only have like 2 minutes left.
Okay. Oh, it's like making like a shock wave. Okay.
Here, let me try. Come over to the camera. I'm gonna
Alright.
try. Sorry, viewers. RJ, your hand is so dirty. You didn't have to do nothing.
I know. My hand is dirty. Alright, do it as hard as you can. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh my god! Bro, that's indestructible.
It really is. Just fill it up with gas.
Hold on, let me try again.
No.
Oh, this is like a part 2 video. This is gonna have like a second part. Bro, let me try. Go, you see the rusted hole? Go in the rusted hole. Like, try to destroy the tank in the inside. Wait, hold on, let me try again.
Alright. Take that from you.
Alright, I'm gonna see. Oh, the sun's coming out.
Come on, hit it harder with all your RJ strength.
Oh. Okay. Oh my god, it's like stuck in the.
This isn't working. Hit it hard. With all the power. I have the power like He-Man.
Hold on, I'm gonna hit a bunch of rusted spots. And I'm just gonna see how much it just comes apart.
Here, let me try.
No, I'm gonna have to end the video soon, but
Well, I needed 10 minutes.
okay.
Here, hand me the sledgehammer. I want to try.
Alright, one more time. Let me just smack the tank again.
I hand it off to you. You hand the sledgehammer off to me.
Now, like, hit the edges on the bottom, because that's where the tank is. Like, right at the edge. Bro, who would have thought a water heater's this indestructible?
Jeez. We should buy like a 10,000. We should buy like one of those tungsten steel cubes, like people have.
No, we're gonna have to buy a tank and blast this thing.
I don't think that's legal.
I know, but I don't even know. I don't even care. But we're gonna need like Dwayne the Rock Johnson out here. I just had a feeling this is your first outdoor video.
Yeah, I know.
That is crazy.
Probably won't get that many views. You're not really doing any damage to this thing. If probably get more views, we're really gonna blow it up. But yeah.
All right, wait. Let me try again.
No, keep recording. I want to keep doing this.
Bro, it's stuck. It's stuck. Never mind. No, you should do it from the top. We never did the top yet. Or the side.
Yeah, that light's definitely less effective.
Okay, let me try. Bro, wait, no, let me try again. Hold on, wait.
Right. This is insane, man. I gotta hand that off to you.
Okay, I'm gonna do it from the top this time. I'm gonna like destroy the pipe. I missed it.
Here.
Oh, I hit the. No, I gotta need the sledgehammer. It's gonna be easier. I'm gonna show you if I can just break the pipe off. Oh my god.
Come on, hit it by your strength, dude.
Holy crap.
If you guys want to see a part 2 of this, please let us know.
Yeah, let us know in the comments.
Remember to like, subscribe, click the notification bell, and wait for more videos from us. Peace.